Hey guys, today we're diving into something powerful and extremely deeply spiritual, at least to me. It's the power of mantra and sacred sound. So, across the globe, there's been countless traditions that harness the profound energy of mantra chanting and the sacred sound as tools for meditation, healing, and spiritual ascent. So mantras, the mystical sound vibrations are more than just phrases or chants. They're considered to be the divine energies encapsulated in sound, so offering us a direct line to the universe's heart and the divine within us. So imagine, like, with each chant, you're dialing into the cosmic frequency, tuning into a vast spiritual network that's always been there, and it's waiting for you to actually listen. So let's talk about a figure who truly, I think, embodied the essence of sacred sound, which is Guru Nanak, which is the founder of Sikhism, along with the lineage of all the different Sikh gurus that followed. So they placed an immense importance on singing the praises of the divine, known as kirtan, as a beautiful soul-stirring way to remember and to connect with the divine. So through their teachings, we learned that these divine sounds, these mantras, they're not just for contemplation, but vibrant, living energies that awaken our deepest spiritual potential. So a lot of people ask, why is mantra chanting so powerful? When we engage in this practice, we're doing more than just repeating words. We're vibrating with the universe's very heartbeat. The vibration that can cleanse our mind, it can open our heart, and it can elevate our spirit, guiding us from just mundane to sacred, from chaos to peace. You get the idea. But how do you incorporate the power of mantra and sacred sound into your own spiritual journey? Well, for me, I had to start really simple. So choose a mantra that speaks to you, whether it's the timeless Om, whether it's, whatever mantra you want. It doesn't even have to be an Indian mantra. It could be Tibetan, it could be Chinese, it could be Christian. Hare Krishna is another good one. Om Mani Padme Hum is another good one. And, find a comfortable, quiet space, sit cross-legged, sit in lotus position, really whatever's comfortable for you, and begin to chant. Chant your mantra, either silently within or even out loud. In the beginning, I started doing it in my head. I was very embarrassed to say the things out loud, and the more I said it out loud, the more natural it felt. So really feel the vibration of it. Let it resonate through you. And just be present with the sound. And in its presence, this continuous engagement with the mantra, it will transform you in more ways than I could even begin to say. So here's the beautiful part. Anyone can do this. You don't need to be a seasoned meditator. You don't need to be a guru. You don't need to be a sadhu. Mantra chanting is a universal practice. Open to all who seek and all who want to explore the depths of their being and connect with the divine or God. So I encourage you, to explore it. Try out the power of mantra and sacred sound. Let these ancient vibrations guide you, to moments of peace and clarity and spiritual elevation. So, go for it. Share your experiences in the comments, and I'd really like to know what you're getting out of it. And if you already are a practiced meditator and you're into mantra, I'd like to hear your thoughts on how it benefits you and the greater community. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care.